Ah, the mailman cometh, and I know that he brought me the new Bob Ross Mop brush. Let's grab this thing and take a look at it. Ooh, tiny. All right, now these actually do look fantastic. I'm actually pleasantly surprised at how small this is. This is fantastic. It's wrapped in its plastic. It's pretty good. I'll tell you what, it's lightweight, but you can tell that the handle is a lot better constructed. It's made out of wood versus the one that I'm currently using, which is made out of aluminum. Anyway, so let's just get this thing out of here. This appears to be constructed very well. The first thing I always do is I always jiggle the ferrule to see if the ferrule is loose. This one is incredibly tight, and if I just grabbed the second one that I bought and jiggle that one too, that one is also very tight. So this is very well constructed. It's glued on there properly. And now let's see if we pull out a bunch of hairs. All right, I'm getting no hairs pulling out. In more inexpensive brushes, they're not glued in very well. They don't have interlocking bristles, and so then if you take them out of the package and pull, you'll start shedding hairs right away. I have literally shed 0 hairs out of this brush. That is fantastic construction. This is the first new brush in the Bob Ross inventory in a very long time, so this has been highly anticipated, and I am pleased thus far. I've used mop brushes for years in my landscapes and seascape paintings because I think they do a much better job than all the other brushes out there that are called blenders. Let's put it to the test. Okay, I put this little brush to the test, and I have to tell you that my little purple handled brush is out of the inventory now in favor of this one. That is the truth. This brush is so nice, it is totally worth the money. That little jiggly handled brush that I've been using for the last 5 years really doesn't have a place anymore after using this. This thing spoiled me. I ran it through all the things that I normally do when I'm painting my landscapes, what I use it for, and I'll tell you that it performed just as well or better by far in some cases than my previous brush. So this is now in the inventory. I really appreciate you hanging out with me for this unboxing. Brushes are so important. I highly recommend this new Bob Ross Mop.